Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to recreate Kim Kardashian's look that she shared on her Instagram for her new collection. So this makeup was done by her makeup artist, Mario. I'm going to follow the tutorials and I try to do my best. When I saw the new KKW palette, it reminds me of the Urban Decay It palette. So here are the colors. The theme is pretty similar, so it reminds me of it, and I will try to recreate the look thanks to this palette. I tried to swatch the color to be sure this palette will be enough, and it's not the case. So I'm going to mix different products. Okay, let's begin.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Mario and Kim show.
Why do you always like to start it? That's what I want to know.
It's because I'm the makeup professional.
Hey guys, but it took my hey guys anyway.
Just start out by applying the liner right along the lash line here. She does have some false lashes on.
They started with a pencil, I think, but I do not have a pencil like that. So I will do it with eyeshadow.
Right, look up now. I'm going to take the same pencil. It's called Rust again. This is sort of like a matte reddish brown. Using the shade Rust.
Okay, matte reddish brown.
Well.
I
Sort of
think
like
I'm going to go
brown,
with
very
En
warm tone,
Fuego.
matte.
I will take this brush to make my eyeliner with reddish color because I do not have a pencil. Okay, now next step.
Using a gold pencil.
I don't have a gold pencil.
This one is called Yellow Gold, and this is from the Sapphire Cookie Eyes, but it also makes the eyes look like more golden inside, which
Yeah.
gives a beautiful effect. I'm going to put some of this yellow gold pencil, close your eyes, as a base first.
I will skip this part.
Kim loves makeup that
I don't have
because she films, so
yellow
there's
pencil.
flowers. Alright, so I'm going to start with the Molten Magma shade here, which is at the bottom center. I'm just going to lightly tap, close your eyes, I'm going to lightly tap that just like right in the center of the eye.
Okay, so he using orange shimmery color in the center of the lid. He also used a copper, I don't know if it's the shade, but it's a name, pencil here and a yellow pencil here, but I don't have any pencil. So I gonna switch that part and going to the eyeshadow. So here there is a orangey shimmery color and I'm going to mix two different colors. You need to take a brush like this and I'm going with Dirty Talk. Okay, I hope it will get better because it's horrible right now.
Now I'm going to take lava right here, which is the second one at the bottom, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to pat that on the outer corner. I'll do some blending on that in a little bit.
Okay, it's for the...
Now I'm just taking a clean brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges, and sort of push that out, like they smoked out. Sort of candy eye. Okay, so I'm going to take now Virgin Bronze, and I'm going to apply that more towards the inner corner. And then on the very inner corner of the eye, I'm going to take Golden Ember, which is this yellowy metallic shade. And I'm going to apply that right on the tear duct. brightens up and separates the eyes, and it just adds a little bit of this sort of yellow golden tone. Really nice for evening. I'm going to take just the leftover on my brush and just very lightly apply that right on the brow bone here. Alright, so I'm going to use now this beautiful shade Fury Eruption, just on a little sort of detailed pencil brush. And I'm going to smoke along the lower rim of the lashes.
So now we does the bottom of the eyes.
Before I apply the lip glosses from the Fire Collection. And I oftentimes will mix nude 1 and 2. I'm going to see first. I'm going to first apply nude 1 and see if I want to make it any deeper. Here, and just add a little bit of this orangey shade here.
I didn't have a similar gloss, so I just used a goldish gloss, and I think any gloss will do the job. You have to use a nude pencil and a goldish gloss, I think. They used a orangey gloss, but I couldn't really see the orangeness. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked this makeup and tell me what you think. Is this similar to the Kim's makeup? Do you like it? So tell me what you think. I kinda like this look. At first I was like, oh my god, it's going to be horrible, I won't upload it. And for the center of my eyes, I prefer to apply an orange color on top of the other color applied, but I think it wasn't really necessary, it's not really striking. Only for the tear dot, I had to apply a goldish color from the Nice palette of Kylie Cosmetics. Let me know, will you buy the new Kim's collection? What do you think? I think it's a pretty nice collection. I really like the packaging and the colors. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! See you on my next video!